Hi there guys and girls, as you can see my dashboard getting ready to be full of the gas that I'm having here in a gasoline station. It's been a long time guys and girls, more than 2 years since I haven't done this. Come on. Going to 19. It's automatic lang kuya ha. As you can see here guys, it's already full, but why is it that it's not ticking? Kusa ba mag-ano yan? Kusang mag-titing? Sure ka? Ba't? Oh. Ba't hindi? Baka umapaw yan ha?
Hindi po. Matik po yan.
Oo. Ba't ganon? Ayun. I'm worried a little bit. It's 2,000.
Sagat po natin?
Okay na yan. Nag-automatic naman di ba?
Apo.
It's 2,202 and 77. It's 2,203. Hold on. Pakihawa. 203. I really miss this kind of doing 200. I came in Cubao and then I picked this up in Santa Lucia. This wagon of mine. I'm speechless guys and guys. Bye for now.